How to reply to a specific message on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to reply to a specific message on Instagram. So let's get started. You will open up your Instagram application and you'll get right here. Now we'll open up our DMs by clicking on this option at the top right corner. So here we have our DMs. You just have to open up your chat, and let's say I want to reply to one of these specific messages. How to reply? It's super easy to do. You will just click on this, press on this message, just like press, and then you will get these options to react. And we also have reply, unsend, and more. So click on reply, and this is what it will look like. You can see replying to yourself or to other person. And I'm gonna reply to this. Let's say, did you check? All right, so this is my message, and now you can just send it. Click on send, and you can see I have replied to this message. This is how you can reply to a specific message on Instagram. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.